I present to you a book, Science of Spice, worth $38 on Amazon. I present to you today for free. You can find the download link below the video. Book break new ground with this spice book like no other. From TV personality, food scientist and best-selling author, Dr. Stuart Farrimond. Taking the periodic table of spices as a starting point, explore the science behind the art of making incredible spice blends and how the flavor compounds within spices work together to create exciting layers of flavor and new sensations. This is the perfect cookbook for curious cooks and adventurous foodies. Spice profiles organized by their dominant flavor compound showcase the world's top spices, with recipe ideas, information on how to buy, use, and store, and more in-depth science to help you release the flavors and make your own spice connections. There is also a selection of recipes using innovative spice blends based on the new spice science, designed to brighten your palate and inspire your own culinary adventures. If you've ever wondered what to do with that unloved jar of sumac, why some spices taste stronger than others, or how to make your own personal garam masala, this inspirational guide has all the answers. Explore the world's best spices, be inspired to make your own new spice blends, and take your cooking to new heights. You'll turn to this beautiful and unique book time and again to explore and to innovate.